Hello guys, it's GVETech here again. I would first of all like to thank Google Stadia, for sending me a free Stadia Premiere edition. It's a Google console. And it came right on time, just when I was thinking about trying to get the PS5 or the Xbox Series S or X. This has come along, and I'll be explaining how you can get a free copy, a free console from Google. So I'm just going to do an unboxing. I've taken out the wrap, so let's just dig right in. First, let's see what's in the box here. It says it comes with a controller. It's like a Pro controller and a Google Chromecast Ultra. So let's see what's in there. Satisfying feeling. Whoop, that's out. Whoa, that's a reveal. Wow. Has a little bit of heft to it. This controller is it feels sturdy. It reminds me of it's like a mashup of the Xbox controller and also the Nintendo Switch Pro controller. That's what it reminds me of. I like that they have the two analog sticks here. Really good. Nice, feels good. The triggers are okay. Looks good. Okay, let's put that on the side. We'll take off this. Let's see what we got. Okay. This is a USB-C charger and cable. This, I'm guessing this is to charge the controller because it has the USB-C port there. So that's good. They didn't act like some companies that don't add a charger no more, if you catch my drift. Okay, so this is where the bad boy. This is the whole engine of the game. So basically, this is the Chromecast Ultra. So it's a little dongle that you plug at the back of your TV or your monitor, compatible monitor. And what happens is that it acts like an Amazon Amazon Fire TV stick, similar to that. So you plug it up behind and you can cast stuff to your TV or your monitor. So stuff from your phone, mobile device, computer, you can use it as a dual screen and all that stuff. Let me just take this out. Ooh, revealing the G. Sweet. Nice, 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 nice. That's on the other side. What else is in the box? Okay. We have the charger. So this charger, let me just take this out. It's basically the charger to power the Chromecast Ultra. USB, micro USB. Yeah, it's good. So I'm gonna try all this out and then get back to you guys. But this is just an unboxing of the package that Google sent. Really nice. We have a headphone port here. This is good. I like the controller. I'll try and find out if you can actually use the controller with other devices. If you could use it with other consoles, probably you could use it with the Nintendo Switch. I don't know. I'm gonna try that out. Or if you could use it with PC games or whatever you. But it's good. But the important things you want to know about the Google Stadia is that it allows you to play games, stream games actually online. So you don't actually need any console like the other consoles out there. So like the PS4, PS5, Xbox One, Xbox 360, Xbox Series S and X, you actually have a console. But in this case, you don't have a console. All you need is this that connects to your Wi-Fi, your home Wi-Fi, and then it streams the games from Google servers. So now that's that. And what Google Stadia helps you do, it allows you to play on the TV. If you want to play on the TV, you need this, and you need a controller or any other compatible controller. But you can play on your internet browser, you can play on your mobile device. You don't have to have a console. As long as you have a Google account, you can sign up for Google Stadia and get to start playing games on the go anytime. So I'm just going to run through a quick setup, and we'll get to try some games and see how it goes. Yeah. So the first game I'm playing is laracroft and the Temple of Osiris. It's running pretty smooth. No issues there. Seems to be good. I remember the last laracroft game I played, I think it was the second version on the 1 or 2, I can't remember now, but I haven't played laracroft in a while, and it's going well. It's smooth, it's buttery smooth. Just be careful, because if you're using HD to play these games, it might take about 12 gig per hour of your data. The next game is Orcs Must Die. Classic game, I love this game. Orcs Must Die 3, and it runs smooth too. So I think the major thing is having a stable internet connection, and when I say stable, I mean serious broadband or fiber. That's when you can really enjoy it. So despite the fact that you don't have any console, you have to think about how much data you're gonna use and how much you would spend. So if you have a plan that's not capped, then you might as well do this. This game is Steam World Dig. It's a regular platform game and a puzzle game, and it runs smooth. It was running smooth when I tried it out. No troubles there. So it's good. And I think the loading times, there were a lot of people saying the loading times are fast, but I think to me it's comparable to the PS4, to be honest. And the last game I'm trying out is superbomberman online. So I'm just going to try it out with other people. The last time I played the Bomberman game was on the NES, so that's the very old version I played back in the day, 8-bit version, but they've bumped it up, and this really seems good. You play online with different people. I'm just going to try and escape this room before it explodes. Yeah. So guys, that's it. And like I mentioned before, how if you want to get the free game, the free Google Stadia, for you to qualify to get it, you have to be a premium YouTube member, meaning that you have to pay for YouTube subscription monthly. So that entitles you to YouTube Music, original content by Google. They have some original content and series that they produce, so you're entitled to that. And now you're also entitled to Google Stadia, but you have to have been a member before the first week, November 6th. So if you haven't been a member before, then you're not entitled, and it's only open to the UK and the US if you reside in those places. Google has mentioned that they would expand to other countries soon, but for now it's just for people based in the US and the UK. I hope you've enjoyed the show today. I look forward to seeing you next time. Till then, stay safe and be good to each other. Bye bye.